Hindi ako na-chill sa chill coffee na yan! Kapal na mukha mo?
Eh, lalo na ako. Anong chill-chill na yan? Ang yun kaya ng ulo ko kagabi? Kapal ang mukha mo? Ano? Walang magaganap na chill! Walang chill! Sobrang kapal ang mukha.
Ay, tama na. Basta ako, chill lang. Wala akong alam eh. Nanghiram lang naman siya ng music. Hindi ko alam, may issue pala.
Sabi ko, how could you do this to me? Ano? How could you do this to me? Ha?
Ang sabi ko naman, how could you do this to her? Ano? How could you do this to her?
Well, I'm glad it's over.
Yeah. He learned his lesson. I learned my lesson. Yan lang, nakakaya sa office. As in.
Eh, ganun talaga. Kaya ikaw, next time, you don't where you eat.
But we were together.
Well, all I hope is that he doesn't again. What is it ba with these people? Why do they cheat?
Ewan ko ba sa mga yan, di na makontento sa isa. Iba dyan, hirap na hirap na humanap ng isa. Ikaw naman, gusto mo pang dumalawa. Ay, naku.
I really have no respect for cheaters. They're full of